Hello YouTube, Drew again with another dashcam drive through another town in South Carolina today. Today we are visiting the city of Goose Creek, located in Berkeley County. Berkeley County, that's right. And Goose Creek is on the outskirts of Charleston, South Carolina, so it's a suburb of Charleston. It's where the Joint Base Charleston is located as well. Yep. And basically what you'll see here is on the right and left there are 45,000 residents of Goose Creek, and what you'll see is that a bunch of housing is on both sides of the road. There are trees and stuff blocking it, of course. I believe we're on US 52. I'll double check that real quick on my map. But yes, what I was saying about Monk's Corner was that it calls itself the Low Country's hometown or whatever, and I said, well, they're in a competition with Goose Creek and North Charleston, will be soon, for the suburb of the Low Country. And that's basically what we have here in Goose Creek. In fact, an article by Digital from 2009 all the way back to 2009 states that Goose Creek looks to create a downtown, and one of the reasons why is based on the article, and it doesn't have a writer listed, so I apologize for not being able to give you that. Is one of the quotes from the article. It says, "If you've ever had trouble putting your finger on where North Charleston ends and where Goose Creek begins, you're not alone." And it's by Ken Hawkins, and it is called "Goose Creek Looks to Create a Downtown Updated" from thedigital.com. But anyway, that is basically what you'll find in this video. Don't really have too much else to say about Goose Creek. It looked pretty nice, pretty decent place, but there's not really much visually to show other than what you're already seeing. So just watch it and enjoy.